You tremble like you've seen a ghost, and I gave in. I like the things you need the most. You said, where have you been? You wasted all that sweetness to run and hide. I wonder why. I remind you of the days you poured your heart into, but you never tried. I've fallen from grace, took a blow to my face. I've loved and I've lost, I've loved and I've lost. Explosions on the day you wake up, needing somebody, and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. It will never be the same. You left my soul bleeding in the dark, so you could be king. The voices that are still told to me, and I lost my faith in everything. The nights you could cope, your intentions were gold, but the mountains will shake. I need to know I can still make explosions on the day you wake up, needing somebody, and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. And as the flood moves in and your body starts to sink, I was the last thing on your mind. I know you're better than you think, but it's simple, darling. I gave you a warning. Now everything you own is falling from the sky in pieces. To watch them fall with you in slow motion. Pray that you will find peace of mind, and I'll find you another time. I'll love you another time. Explosions on the day you wake up, needing somebody, and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same.